Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to wrap text in WordPress. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So I'm going to open up post editor. So I'm going to edit this post and now click on this little plus icon and search here media and text, and here I'm pasting some dummy text. Also you can change the font style from here. Okay, and now let's upload media. So I'm going to upload a media from my computer. So here you can see the media and the text, and if you want to change the wrap style, click here, and now here you can see the wrap style has been changed. Also you can make it bottom, or I'm going to make it align. Also you can make it full width. So then click on update, and I'm going to view this post. And here you can see the text has been wrapped. So that's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.